2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, center armrest, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, compass, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player. Come see the car for yourself.